Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. If you didn't know, I'm always for technique before lifting heavy. Technique before power. Technique is going to give you longevity and you will not get an injury. I want to touch on deadlifts today, okay? I see a lot of people deadlifting. I have to show you. So, a lot of people, when they perform the deadlift, when they start lifting, their back is all the way down here, okay? So you lift with your lower back. That's not the way to do it. You increase the risk of injury on your lower back, so I'm going to demonstrate how to perform deadlift in a safe way, okay? So, if this is my waist and my back, I don't want to go 90 degrees. I want to be right here, okay? So I come here. As you can see, my butt comes down. My lower back is in about 45-degree angle. I'm not deadlifting like this. Here. And when you are going to lift, think that you're going to push the ground down with your legs. Okay? So I come in, I lock my shoulder blades, and I engage my lats. Boom. And I push the ground away. Come down. Lock. Push the ground away. I don't want to see you lifting like this. When you lift like that, you increase the injury. Sorry, you increase the risk of injury on your lower back. So try this technique. I hope it helps. And I'm gonna show it to you one last time. Come in. Your knees about where your elbows meet. Right here. Shoulder blades retracted. Boom. Arms straight. Boom. Lats engaged. Push the floor away. Thank you very much for watching. I hope it helps. Have a nice evening.